everyone, this is Sampath. Lord of Waterfall is a YouTube channel as well as Instagram. Follow me for more travel updates. Today we are moving from UDUPI to Maravanthe beach, which is about 50 kilometers from UDUPI. On the way to this beach, we can have the beautiful views of rivers. We'll cross three rivers, and the first river is Suvarna River, and this is Sita River, and the third one is Panchagangavali River. And now we are at Maravanthe beach, very unique beach in India. We can see beach on one side and the river on another side. After visiting Sringeri and Udupi, and we reached to Maravanthe beach in the evening at the sunset time. You can have the magnificent view of sunset. Next, we are moving to MURUDESHWAR temple, Karnataka. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.